Hi friends. Do you reach for your hand while using your mobile or while watching videos? If yes, then this video is for you. Because in this video, we have brought you 5 best mobile stands, which are unique as well as durable and good looking. So at number 1, Leeson Smartphone Stand, most comfortable height for the neck, shoulders, and neck designed by German scientists according to ergonomics. This adjustable mobile stand can be used for iPhone, iPad, tablet, and Android. The mobile can be rotated as needed, and the height can be adjusted from 4 inches to 10 inches. I think this is the best option for table use. Second is the Meizo cell phone stand. Best and foldable mobile stand that provides good quality with low price. Compatible with iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, iPad mini tablets. This stand helps you for videos, gaming, recording, and charging. So far it has 6 different colors. One weakness of this set is that it does not have a rotation option. But you can use it without any problems. If you want a good and strong mobile stand at a low price, then I think this is the best option for you. The third stand is slightly advanced and also a Meizo brand, but has more features and a higher price tag. In this stand you will find dual wireless chargers. This stand provides you fast charging facility. Height adjustable, and can be rotated up to 90 degrees. The charging base is Type-C, and you can charge any wireless gadget with it. Works for iPhone, tablet, iPad, and Android. A friend who is fond of wireless chargers can be a good option for him. ESR's best stand. You can stick this stand to your cell phone. Use it vertically and horizontally. With the help of this small stand, you can watch videos on your mobile. But it also has some disadvantages. It does not have the option of rotation, height adjustment. iPhone, tablet, iPad, and Android can all be installed. If you just want a small mobile stand that helps you use your mobile vertically and horizontally, then this stand is perfect for you. This mobile stand is not much different from the fourth one. It has some features that I like. This mobile stand you can stick to glass or smooth wall. You can use this stand on any mobile. Just keep it away from your kids. I have another one too. So this stand is perfect for vertical use. For more reviews, please subscribe our channel and press the bell.